My name is Jess Cavazos. I've been tattooing for 11 years, and I tattoo out of Black Lantern Tattoo in Corpus Christi, Texas. Man, the way I got into tattooing is I kind of fell into it. I had a kind of a crazy apprenticeship. It was more like a crash course, trace this, trace that, and then before I knew it, after a month or so, it's start tattooing people. So it was really kind of crazy. I got a job as a receptionist, and that turned into an apprenticeship. So that's basically how I fell into it. Man, inspiration it's crazy because I get inspiration from all types of art. I get it from digital art, I get it from paintings, I get it from other tattooers killing it in the game. In my opinion, you really can't put a price on inspiration. So I draw inspiration from all types of art. Man, the FK machine that popped my cherry had to definitely be, I think it was the Spectra Edge X. And I remember I got it and I got it just in time to go to an expo, and I couldn't wait to use it. Everything I wanted it to do, it did. It made me concentrate more on the art than actually having to worry about the technical side of the tattooing. And this was my first introduction to FK, so I wasn't familiar with the family of tattoo machines. Dude, being part of FK is crazy. It's definitely I don't want to dramatize it, but it's like a dream come true. Like, as soon as I came into the industry, I knew there was only a select few tattoo machine companies out there that were like the #1. And I told myself in the beginning, if I'm ever gonna get a sponsorship from a machine company, FK was definitely at the top of my list. I flux with it. The Flux is definitely my go-to machine. I love the EXO also, but I just find myself coming back to that bigger stroke. Really, it's the 4mm stroke that does it for me. I do a lot of color packing, and anytime you need solid saturation for the way I tattoo, I need that longer stroke. I definitely like to run my machines low and slow. If you look at traditional Tabori tattoos, they're literally hand poking it in, and it's really, really solid work. So that doesn't necessarily mean you have to run your machines balls out just to get solid saturation. And I feel like if I run my machine too fast, I get a little too much trauma. I want to own my own shop, and I wanted to have a reputation in the industry for being one of the best in my state. Right now, when I think of tattoo shops, there are select shops around the country that come to mind, and I would like that for my shop. I'd like to have some really world-class artists in my group. I don't want anyone under me, I want someone up top with me. Set your goals high, because you can achieve anything you set your mind to, especially in this industry. If you put in the extra work, the sky's the limit. I never would have thought in a million years I'd be sponsored by anybody, much less one of the best tattoo machine companies out there. Put in the extra work. When everyone's out there partying and doing stuff, messing around, draw, study art. Before you go to bed at night, look at all the tattoos on Instagram or whatever that really inspire you, and then break them down and think about why do they inspire you? What is it about them that you really like? And it'll really help you break down what you need to do work-wise to get where you want to go, or get where you want to be, I should say. It was a great experience being here at FK headquarters. I had a blast this whole weekend filming. I can't wait to do it again. Jess Cavazos, FK Irons ProTeam, signing out.